Hi everyone, join me today for a quick morning practice on the beach to move, breathe deep, and start the day feeling good. Stand up straight, relax your whole body. Begin by twisting your body from side to side. Keep your feet parallel and your knees comfortably bent, beginning your movement from your legs up. Your lower back should feel nice and relaxed and your spine long. Then go ahead and guide your hands to knock across the abdomen and the lower back. Keep a good posture, yet try to relax and loosen the entire body. From here, knock on the chest. Slow down, let your arms relax by the side. Bring your hands in and take a nice full breath and open your chest. Exhale out and down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Opening and expanding your entire body. Breathe out and soften. Relax your hands for a moment. Then go ahead and breathe in through the sides. Open and expand. Come up on your toes. Exhale. Arms flow down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Every time you inhale, lift and expand upwards. Every time you exhale, like a big wave of relaxation, flow down your entire body. One more time, breathe in, breathe out. Next, go ahead and lean to one side, breathe in. Then repeat the same on the other side. Breathe in as you open. Breathe out and down. Continue the movement at your own pace, taking a long, steady breath. One more round. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Relax your neck and shoulders. The next movement is called the crane. Keep your feet together. Nice long spine. Breathe in. Lift your leg up. Open the hands to the side. Breathe out and down. Same leg goes all the way up. Breathe out. Change legs and repeat. Breathe in all the way to the top. Breathe out. Continue the movement at your own pace, taking a long, steady breath. Keep your body relaxed and loose so you can flow along with your breath. One more time, breathe in and out. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax your leg down. Then go ahead and take a nice full breath and open your entire body. Breathe out and soften. Breathe in, gathering the energy first thing in the morning. Exhale, let it fill your entire body. Breathe in and out. Every time you inhale, feel the energy filling your entire body. Every time you exhale, let it flow down through the center. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Gently stop at your abdomen and place your hands on your belly. Bring your feet together. We're going to finish today's practice with a sequence for centering and grounding. Slowly raise your hand up, then down the center, bringing your awareness and your breath into the lower abdomen. Breathe in. Breathe out. Stay focused and present on the movement and your breath. Become aware of your entire body, guiding your awareness through the crown of the head, down the center, into the lower abdomen. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Then let your hands rest on your belly and gently circle around. Feel the warmth from your hands and the awareness and space inside your belly. Then slide to the back, bringing your awareness and energy to your kidneys. Then slowly slide down and raise up. Bounce off a few times to loosen up and feel good. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.